Functions of HRM. In this modern era, organizations have become more people-centric than ever, especially since this approach pays a great dividends in terms of enhanced employee performance and lower attrition rates. So, human resource management or HRM plays a key role in allowing employers and organizations to reach their objectives. So, the functions of HRM hold great significance in the growth and overall development of the organizations. After all, when employees grow and develop their skills, the organization will automatically experience the growth and expansion. So, HRM includes job design, job analysis, recruitment, hiring, selection, training, and development of the employees, compensation and benefits, performance management, managerial relations, and labor relations. So, HRM functions in all these areas. So, human resource planning. The first HR function is all about knowing the future needs of the organization. What kind of people does the organization need, and how many? Knowing this will shape recruitment, selection, performance management, learning and development, and all other human resources functions. Human resource planning is similar to workforce planning. Both focus on where the organization is today and what it needs to be successful in the future. Next function is recruitment and selection. Uh, Attracting people usually starts with an employee brand. Being an attractive employer has a plenty of advantages, just as it is the other way around. A good example of the latter is the tobacco industry, which struggles to attract talent due to its tainted reputation. So, recruitment is one of the primary functions of the human resource management. HRM aims to obtain and retain qualified and efficient employees to achieve the goals and objectives of the company. All this start with the hiring the right people, right employees out the list applicants and the favorable candidates, and HRM helps to source and identify the ideal candidates for interview and selection. So the candidates are like subjected to a comprehensive screening process to filter out the most suitable candidates from the pool of applicants. So once the primary functions of HRM in a recruitment completed and the candidate gets selected, after rounds of the interview, they are like provided with the job positions. Next function is performance management. Performance management is essential in ensuring that workers stay productive and engaged. Good performance management involves good leadership, clear goal setting, and open feedback. Performance management is also an instrument to close the gap between the workforce you have today and the one you want to have tomorrow. One of the best way to build your future workforce is through the learning and development. So the HR functions list its effective employee performance management ensures that the output of the employees meets the goal and objectives of the organization. Performance management doesn't just focus on the performance of the employee, it also focuses on the performance of the team, the department, and the organization as a whole. Next function is learning and development. Enabling employees to develop the skills they need for the future is an essential responsibility for HR. This is also related to the first HR function we listed. In HR, bridges the gap between the workforce today and the workforce needed in the near future. So, imparting proper training and ensuring the right development of the selected candidates is the crucial function of the HR. So the success of the organization depends on how well the employees are trained for the job and what are the growth and the development opportunities within the organization. So HRM plays a very crucial role in the preparing employees for bigger tasks and responsibilities, which leads to the holistic development of the employees at work. And an organization which provides ample growth and development opportunities to its employees is considered to be healthy organization. Next function is career planning. The fifth function of the human resource management is career planning, guidance, and development for employees together, also referred as a career planning, showing employees how their ambition can be aligned with the future of the company, helps to engage and retain them. For the organization, there are benefits of the better succession planning, higher productivity, and a stronger employee brand. Next function is function evaluation. As a business and society changes, so too must an efficient HR function. Function evaluation is technical aspects of the HR. By evaluating the HR function, the department ensures that the company is successful at both strategic level and with the service delivery and support. The company needs to deliver the level of service required, list operating strategically. And HRM also plays a vital role in the rewards. Rewards include salary, but also growth and career opportunities, status, recognition, and a good organizational culture and satisfying work-life balance. For example, fantastic colleagues and meaningful work are also rewarding to the employees. The monetary reward of the job consists of financial rewards and the other secondary benefits. Rewards consist of benefits and compensation from the measure of the total cost expenditure of an organization. It is like must to pledge the expenses, and at the same time it is also necessary to pay the employees well. So therefore the role of human resource management is to formulate attractive and efficient benefits and compensation packages to attract more employees into the workplace, so without disturbing the finances of the company. So the primary objective of the benefits and the compensation is to establish equitable and fair remuneration for everyone. Plus, HR can use benefits and compensation as a leverage to boost employee productivity, as well establish good public image of the business. Therefore, one of the core HR department function is to lay down clear policies and guidelines about the employee compensation and rewards and their available benefits. So one of the functions HR manager is to ensure the effective implementation of these policies and guidelines. This creates a quality and builds transparency among the employees and management within the organization. The level of the employee satisfaction at work is directly proportional to the compensation and benefits received by the employees. Health and safety, next function. Yes, health and safety also matters to the organization. HR plays an important role in creating and implementing health and safety regulations. Making these regulations part of the company culture is one of the main HR functions. So every employer should mandatorily follow the health and safety regulations laid out by the authorities. Our labor laws instead every employer to provide whatever training, supplies, uh, and essential information ensure the safety and health of the employees. Integrating the health and safety regulations with company procedures or culture is the right way to ensure the safety of the employees. So making the safety regulations is the part of the company activities and one of the important functions of the HRM. Personal well-being, HR has a function in assisting and taking care of employees when they run into personal problems. Personal well-being is about supporting employees when things don't go as planned. problems is the workplace and outside can negatively impact employee performance, engagement, and their productivity. So HRM assists employees when they run into personal problems which may interfere with the workflow. So along with the discharging administrative responsibilities, HRM department also help employees in need. So, for example, since the pandemic, the need for the employee support and assistance has substantially increased. For example, many employees need extra time off and medical assistance during the peak period of the pandemic. And HRM also cares about the succession planning of the employees. Succession planning is a core functions of the HRM. It aims at planning, monitoring, and managing the growth path of the employees from within the organization.